In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Voice Memos apps and clicking on this red button at the bottom left corner to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same left button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and tap on play button in the middle. You can also skip it 15 seconds each way. If you wish to replace something you already recorded, you need to swipe your recording to the right moment and then hit replace at the bottom left corner. To rename it, hit new recording at the top and type in whatever you want to. To manage it, use all of those options at the top right corner. To undo some changes, hit undo at the top left one. And to end it and save it, hit done at the bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is here. To listen to it, click on it and play it. To manage it, use all of those options at the top, and to get rid of it, use bin icon and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!